Hello guys, so welcome to this video. This video is a tutorial video on how to purchase purchase hosting alongside with your domain here on Jiggynethost. So first thing that you need to do is to log into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. If you have not logged in, just click on the login section that you see here and then proceed. Then here in your dashboard, to purchase hosting and domain, right? So what you just need to do is to click on these services. When you click on these services, you see other new services. Then it will take you to this page here. If you want to order shared hosting, you select any plan here, either for basic plan or shared advanced plan. This one now is DMCA ignored. When something is said to be DMCA, like it has some level of security attached to it, like in terms of content and all. So but if you want to purchase Bulletproof hosting, you click on this Bulletproof hosting here, then proceed. This, I highly recommend this Bulletproof hosting because of the top security that it offers, right? So now let's move over to order now. Where you click on order now, here is the part that you ask you to choose a domain that you want to use for this hosting that you're about to purchase now. If you want to register a new domain, you simply enter the domain name here and search for the availability here. All right, so if you are transferring from another registrar, like you have a domain that you purchased in that hosting company, you want to transfer everything to, or so that it will be on your Jiggynethost account, you use this option here. All right, or if you want to use an already existing domain that you have purchased, probably from us or from another registrar, you use this one here and make sure that you update the name server to Jiggynethost name server. All right, after making your purchase. So let's just register a new one here. So just enter any name of your choice and search for the availability. So let's search alright, let's just search random name. Right, I'm searching this for tutorial sake. Alright, so you select the extension, if it's .com, .net, .org, .biz, .info, .com.ng and so more, and lots of them. Alright, when you select this one now, you check for visibility. Alright, and luckily this one now, this name, the active SAMI, is available, like it has not been used by anyone. So you just continue. All right, so when you click on continue, it will not take you to this page. All right, it will not take you to this page. This is the page where you configure the duration of your hosting. So this one now is if you want it to be monthly or if you want it to be yearly. So let's go for yearly actually. All right, so a year plan is 3,500 naira. Reason being that this is a Bulletproof hosting, and believe me, this is the cheapest Bulletproof hosting that you ever get in Nigeria. So let's select a year for an instance. All right, so you click on continue. All right, when you click on this continue, now everything will now merge. And you know why it's saying has hosted, because you searched and added a new domain, which is this .com. And if you still want to add some add-ons, you know, some features to your purchases, you can add DNS management or ID protection. All right, so I don't want to add any of them, but if you want, like let's assume you want to protect your personal information and reduce the amount of spam to your inbox by enabling the ID protection, you go for this one. All right, or you go for this DNS management. Anyone that you want to choose, you go ahead. Then let's continue. All right, so when you click on this continue, next thing now is to check out. So it has added everything for you. It has added everything. This is some total of the domain and the hosting here. All right, so you enter your coupon code if you have anyone. For example, let me just try this coupon code here. All right, let me just try this coupon code CSC Tech Marvin. This is a coupon code here that is currently active. When you click on validate, you will check if it's still active. All right, so okay, let's check. This one now will give you 25% one-time discount. All right, so let's proceed. All right, so when you are done with your settings, choose the account. All right, this one now I'm already logged in, that's why it has this account automatically selected. So it says you may specify alternative registration, but just leave it at default here. Then here you choose your payment method. Either you pay with Paystack. I recommend Paystack because this one now will automate your payment, your purchase, like everything will be automated instead of messaging the admin when you transfer. But if you still want to transfer, you can just go ahead and use this transfer. But Paystack has a transfer feature that you can use and transfer. All right, so let's go ahead and complete our order. All right, so all right, here now this is the page where it will take us to, like, it has taken us to where we make our payments and then finish up with this purchase. All right, so this is Paystack payment page. Here you choose any method that you want to use and pay. You pay with your card. All right, enter your card details, other details of your card, or use direct transfer. This direct transfer is one of the fastest. Like, you can just go to, like, open your bank app, transfer to this account number, this Paystack Titan account. Make sure that when you're transferring, make sure that you transfer this exact amount. All right, or you use your bank. You select the bank and other, like, select the bank, then you follow it up, or you use USSD. All right, every bank have their own USSD. All right, but that's not the one that we are paying with. So, or you use your Visa QR code. Right, you can just scan your QR code and pay, or you use your OPay. When you choose this OPay, it will take you to this page. From there, you authenticate your payment process and then finish up in your payment in your OPay app. But I recommend using transfer because it's very, very simple and fast. All right, so when you are done making your payment, you click on this I have sent the money, and once you make your payment and click on I have sent the money, your purchase will be processed immediately, and your details, both your cPanel and your registration details, everything will be sent to your email. Once again, thanks for staying through to the end of this video. Hope to see you on our next video. Thank you.